Also at forward number 77, Andre Duremdes. Playing center number 32, Ken Brillantes. Jake Gaspay. Coming in at center number 19, JP Sarao.
Jumping up at center court. Tip 1 by the guys in black, Philip Manalang. Naging instrumental siya dun. JP Sarao. Back to Alwin Alday. Pulls the trigger and hits the 3. Good rebound, AJ Coronel. AJ off the glass and it rolls through.
And that's 3 different looks already that we've seen with Rizal. They can set up the big man in the post, they can move the ball and find and be patient with the outside shot, but at the same time they can also, speed up the ball game by pushing it.
Lilan Estacio gives Sarangani their first basket. Manalang. JP Sarao. Bounce pass inside. Naagaw ng Sarangani. On the run, Jake Gaspay. Sorry, that was Alex De Soyo. So now, because of that loss, they are at 7 and 12. Pero dami na rin kasing talo nitong Sarangani, Imo sa Negros eh. And with a few games left, roughly, sabihin mo ng mga 5 to 7 games remaining in their schedule. Marco Balagtas missing on the jumper. Nag-uusap tayo, Coach Juan, pero ganun-ganun lang. Isa lang ang lamang ng Rizal, 9-8. Sarangani able to catch up. Lilan Estacio sneaks in the layup, lamang ng Sarangani.
He's doing a good job just taking the ball straight to the basket. They've been aggressive attacking the rim. Just him bringing down the ball and just pulling up.
Cut inside, Lilan Estacio, beautifully executed by the Sarangani squad. 2 for 2 at the line, 21-18.
Full court pressure by Rizal. Let's see how Sarangani can break it down.
Medyo bumara pa dun yung bola.
Napaganda pa yung bagal ng sidestep
Kaya
niya
nga eh. Mendoza wala. Caliano, outlet pass.
Here's another fast break. Oh,
Tricky pero Mingan.
from the 3, 2 out of 10 rather.
Live the game brought to you by Sports Bus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
They have to respect that outside shot. And then it allows for the rest of their guards to penetrate.
Lockup sinks in the 3. 27-26. Mendoza finds an opening and hits another triple. That's his 3rd. Dati kasi pag sa SMS, di ba? When they return to sender. Caballero, kakapasok lang. Pasa kay Alwin Alday. Long 2-pointer.
And that's how you break a 2-3 zone. Whenever you move the ball, you drive and penetrate and kick out, eventually it creates confusion also in the 2-3 zone because you're going to have to figure out who they're going to match up with and which zone they're going to defend. Lalo na kung dalawang tao nasa isang zone.
This guy is feeling it at the moment on a heater. Cholo Mendoza.
Single-handedly building this lead offensively for Rizal. And then another defensive stop for it.
And now he gets an assist, a steal. Alwin Alday with a basket. Deal of the game brought to you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable sound, ultimate power. Cholo Mendoza just all over the place.
Parang sayang naman yung talent niya. Hindi naman natin sinasabi na masasayang dito sa pagiging panel, pero parang mas masarap yata siyang i-cover sa ganda ng nilalaro niya.
Oo nga. Actually, nag-enjoy akong panoorin siya ngayon. I mean, it's always fun when you see a guy really confident. Lalo si Jolo kasi ano yan eh. He's a guy that thrives in confidence.
And the shots that he's taking, it's not as if like there's a play set up for him to take that shot. It's just that the confidence is oozing and like, catch and shoot in the middle of a run, in a fast break, regardless of.
Keanu Caballero lays it in. Ganun na lang. Lamang na ang Rizal, 47-34.
Good find by Paul Sanga. Just missing there. Brillantes now on the other side.
Inside, Nervin Flores for 2.
Talk about instant impact on the floor. Caballero has been getting the job done in facilitating and finding his teammates.
4 assists already for Keanu Caballero in just a couple of minutes. Now he grabs the rebound. Alday, the pass to Balagtas, back to Alday.
That forward pass by Caballero, just the smarts to read the floor and see that they have numbers. Kasi kadalasan yung point guard, may tendency na sila pa magbaba ng bola instead of bringing and pushing the ball with a pass.
Parang biglang nagising yung Rizal eh. Ngayon, biglang lumobo na yung lamang nila. Kanina 17, now down to 15 after that basket by Alex Desoyo. Alday with another bucket.
Basket. It all started with a lot of outside shooting falling for them, and it kind of carried on and got contagious.
Shout out kay Coach Juanito ha. Congratulations sa kanya.
Oh, coaching stint niya, champion na naman.
Oo. Born to be a winner, Coach Juanito Gregorio.
Calling it differently. That could have been a travel, but then there was a foul in an end one.
Lars Sunga on the attack. Blocked by Flores.
You can see 6 seconds on the game clock. What a pass! Woo! What a pass!
Brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL.
Take a look at this one more time. Threading in the eye of the needle. Alday converting for that.
JP Sarao at the elbow to Philip Manalang. Balagtas puts up the free. It's good. Knock up straight but short. Alvin Alday the rebound.
Forcing the issue. Will they successfully convert it?
Balagtas up to the task. 13 points. 73-45. Soyo drives.
Not a turnover.
Pass ahead. Philip Malalang bumit-bit. Lays it in. Couple of assists from Alvin Alday. To you by the Extreme Boom 3 waterproof speaker. Unstoppable sound. Ultimate power. Basic lang ni Philip Malalang.
First time to climb a mountain. Hindi naman ako maganon.
Okay.
Pero alam mo, nagulat ako yung mga sari-sari store nila doon, walang refrigerator, naka-display sa shelf yung mga soft drinks nila.
Hindi nga. Talaga? Tas malamig.
Pag nag-order ka, kala mo galing sa freezer.
Hindi nga, seryoso?
I kid you not. I kid you not. As in, sari-sari store, naka-display lahat. So ako, nung bumibili ako ng Royal Pata nun, sabi ko, pwede ba yung sa ref? Gusto nung malamig. Ito malamig to. Kinuha lang sa shelf. Pag abot sa akin, parang galing sa refrigerator.
Tipid sa Oriente yun.
At dahil nga home game itong sa Rizal.
Panganiban blocked. Both teams. 4 minutes gone by. Combined for only 3 points. Zaldivar nails the three. Finally for Rizal. And they erupt on the bench.
Actually, the entire stadium are all on their feet, happy with that shot.
Zaldivar.
And another assist by Keanu.
Gusto mo na yan. Nakuha ni Panganiban. Pass to Jake Gaspay. Caballero's turn to take the three and make it. Desoyo drew a foul on...
Tapos, on your third day, nung pag nakita nyo na yung sea of clouds. Baba na kayo. Pero yun, ano yun? Kasi bababa ka sa Ambangeg Trail sa kabila dun sa executive. So mas mabilis yun.
So ano pala siya, no? Parang overnight ka talaga.
4 days.
4 days,
4
wow.
days, oh. Pero worth it. Like, the Akiki Trail, I think, even if it's hard, you see different terrains. Their output, they've got 9 points now in the 4th quarter. Medyo pinahirapan pa ni Flores yung sarili niya doon. Pwede ng diretsong layup. Now they've surpassed.
Sarangani, play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book. Bash Gatos. Jared Chavez. Steps through. Stolen away by Caliano. On the run. Alex De Soyo.
Alex
with a lefty layup. Right.
In the 4th quarter. This is lower than the production of Sarangani in the 3rd.
Those are 3 mid-tier teams in the north.
J.R. Chavez.
Chavez with a reverse layup. De Soyo pulls up. Wala. Chavez. Wala ang bola sa kanya. Sarangani on the attack. Vash Gatos. Bumidbit. Can't finish. Mamadali si Lervin Flores. He will go coast to coast for the layup. Behind that big second quarter where they pulled away late. Coach Don Dulay and the rest of the Rizal Centro Mall Golden Coolers pick up win number 12.